Toyota's futuristic FT-Me concept, which once looked like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, is now taking a huge step toward becoming reality. Thanks to a £15 million, or about $20 million, grant from the UK government, this compact two-seater electric vehicle may soon hit the streets of Europe and the UK. This bold move marks Toyota's latest effort to redefine sustainable mobility and create a new segment of ultra-efficient, solar-powered urban vehicles. The funding comes from the UK's Drive35 program, managed by the non-profit Advanced Propulsion Centre. This initiative supports innovative green transportation projects that reduce emissions and promote sustainable manufacturing. Toyota will lead a consortium that includes ELM, known for lightweight EV technologies, solar specialists Savcor, and the University of Derby. Together, they will research how to bring the FT-Me from concept to production while keeping it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Research and development will take place at Toyota's Burniston facility in Derbyshire, a site already known for producing the Corolla hybrid. The University of Derby will handle testing and performance evaluations, while Savcor focuses on perfecting the integrated solar roof that could make this small EV truly stand out. The idea is to explore how solar energy can meaningfully extend the car's driving range while minimizing reliance on traditional charging stations. The FT-Me, first revealed in March 2025, was designed as a compact two-seater measuring under 2.5 meters in length. It falls into Europe's L6E light quadricycle category, a niche segment ideal for crowded city environments. Vehicles in this class are lightweight, energy efficient, and designed for short urban commutes. Toyota's version, however, goes beyond the ordinary, combining futuristic styling, recycled materials, and cutting-edge solar tech. The project aims to determine whether Toyota can mass-produce a small electric car that offers meaningful mobility while cutting its carbon footprint by up to 90% compared to standard urban EVs. The FT-Me's lightweight body and minimal power requirements make it perfect for this purpose. Its modest electric motor produces about 5 horsepower and delivers a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour or around 28 miles per hour. That may sound slow, but in many European countries, vehicles like this can be legally driven by 14-year-olds, making it a practical solution for young commuters or city dwellers looking for low-cost mobility. Toyota expects a driving range of around 100 kilometers, or 62 miles on a single charge. Thanks to Savcor's solar roof panels, the range could increase by an additional 20 to 30 kilometers depending on sunlight exposure. While that won't turn it into a long-distance cruiser, it could drastically reduce the need for frequent charging in sunny climates. The vehicle's construction will also emphasize sustainability. Toyota plans to use recycled and lightweight materials throughout, along with digital connectivity features for navigation, monitoring, and smart urban integration. Some elements of the FT-Me's concept design, like its exaggerated LED lighting and futuristic panels, will likely be toned down for production, but its distinctive charm will remain intact. Dariusz Mikulauczak, managing director of Toyota Manufacturing UK, expressed enthusiasm about the grant's potential. He stated that this support will help Toyota advance its research into sustainable city vehicles, further enhancing the company's ability to deliver innovative solutions for the growing demand in urban mobility. If the feasibility study proves successful, the FT-Me could enter limited production at Toyota's Burniston plant. Industry insiders predict it could hit the market within a few years, directly competing with popular electric quadricycles like the Citroën Ami, Fiat Topolino, Opel Rocks Electric, Renault Mobilize Duo, and Microlino. This move signifies Toyota's commitment to evolving beyond traditional vehicles and embracing compact, eco-friendly designs suited for Europe's future cities. The FT-Me might be small in size, but its impact on sustainable transportation could be monumental, proving that sometimes the biggest revolutions come in the smallest packages.